Hey friends, it's Sweet Melissa and EP. Today is Sunday, June 27th, 2021, and we are at Silver Falls State Park. We're about ready to go for a waterfall hike. Come on along. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. There were so many waterfalls to see. In fact, I think there were 10 altogether. Each one was really unique, and it was fun to see all of them. EP loves waterfalls. We like to call ourselves waterfall chasers. All right, friends, till next time, get outside and see what you see. Thanks for watching today, friends. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope to see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.